Hi everyone, are you looking for the best handheld game players? If you received a new handheld game player, then you're in the right place. In this video we're going to review the top 5 best handheld game players on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading reviews, and orders. Let's get started on this video. Number 1. ANBERNIC RG556.
Android 13 system.
Link on the description. 5.48-inch AMOLED touchscreen. Player 1080 x 1920. Number 2. ANBERNIC ARG35X. Link on the description. 64 GB games.
Portable supper display. Number 3.
Retroid Pocket for Pro.
Easy control.
Link on the description. Charger port. Number 4. Tremui Smart Pro. Link on the description. PSP style. Super AMOLED display. Number 5. ANBERNIC ARG405V. Support Moonlight streaming, play PC game freely. Easy control panel.